Well, hi guys, we're going to see how you're going to fill in tax information for Google AdSense. I've already done for US, okay, and I've uploaded an ID, and the ID is in review. So we're going to do also for Iran, okay. Now we're going to click on Add Tax Info. Start. What is your business? This is an individual. Are you eligible for withdrawing rate for a tax treaty? Nope. Eligible for other exceptions? Nope. I'm doing this from Uganda, so tax ID number in your country of residence. This is optional, so I'll just continue. And that is it. Okay. There's not really a lot of anything actually to do. So if you're outside Ireland, I think that will be it, and it's accepted. So I've done for US, and this is in review. Just uploaded my ID. So that's how you can actually add Iran tax information in Google AdSense. If you're outside Iran, of course, okay. If you're within Iran, I think your options may be a bit longer because you have to really answer a lot. For those who are outside Iran, that's how you add the tax information, okay? See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.